Okay.
The rhythm, right? Rhythm from bar 9 to 9, 10, 11, 12.
9 to 12 will be a little bit challenging for some students, yes. I would suggest you just do that with a crotchet pulse to start with them. Just to get the pulse going, if you do a crotchet pulse, maybe 150 to start with. Or 1, 5, 0. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Migrate into a min impulse afterwards.
Yes, reasonable. So from 9 to 12, change the what to crochet.
Just to get the rhythm to start with, and then you can migrate into a minim beat afterwards. So once you've got the hang of that, you can just halve that again to 75.
Okay, let me try again.
What do you make of the tram lines, we call them, after bar 20?
Bar 20. Breath.
Yeah, so I think you probably will come completely off. Yeah, a little break there, a little breath.
Okay. Okay, let me start again.
Yeah.
Fail again.
Now, bar 9, you are a beat late, well, crotchet late with the right hand. Da da dum, that's late.
Oh, yes, right.
Ba da dum, yeah, straight up.
Okay, from bar 5.
And the last line is only pianissimo. Very, very quiet there. Okay.